welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my laundry routine, so let's just jump right into this video. So to start off, I'm just going to grab everyone's laundry, so everyone has their own laundry in their room in their laundry basket. So I just took all those and dumped it in a big pile downstairs in my laundry room, and then I'm just going to separate it into 3 different piles. So my first pile is going to be my light colors, so it's going to be everything that's white and everything that's gray, and then I have another pile of just pants, and then my third pile is everything that's colored, so like red, blue, orange, anything that has color on it, and then also dark colors, so like black and all that kind of stuff. So once I have everything separated, I'm gonna throw my first pile into the washing machine. So I started off with my colors and my dark colors, so I put it in the washing machine, and then I just used some of the Tide Original Laundry Detergent. And then I turned on my washing machine and I put it on the settings normal and cold. So while that's in the washing machine, it was in there for about 54 minutes, I started organizing my fourth pile, which was just socks and underwear and bras and all that kind of stuff. So I just had to flip socks around because some of them were inside out, and I just threw them into a laundry basket to get it ready. And once everything was done in the washing machine, I just took it out and threw it in a basket so I could take it outside to hang up. And then I threw my second load in, which was pants, and I used the exact same settings as I used before in the same laundry detergent. Okay, so for drying my clothes, I never put it in the dryer because I don't want anything to shrink. The only thing I do put in the dryer would be my socks and underwear and that kind of stuff. So what I have is this stand that I got from Costco. It's actually very handy. So it was a really nice day out today, so I decided to take it outside so it would dry even quicker. Usually we just have it in our basement, but today was so nice. It was a perfect opportunity to take it outside. So it has a lot of room. I can fit a lot of clothes on there to dry, and it also has hangers that I can hang on the very top. So sometimes I put pants up there to dry, or sometimes shirts, and I just love this thing so much. It's so handy to have. So I'm taking my load of pants out of the dryer and putting my load of whites in there, and I'm pretty much doing the exact same thing that I did before. Alright, so this is my very last pile. It's my pile that has my socks, underwear, bras, and that kind of stuff. So I do something a little bit different with these. I put a different detergent in. So this time I'm using the Tide Pods laundry detergent. It's the Free and Gentle one. So this one is just unscented. I just prefer to use that on my socks and stuff. And then like I said before, I do put this load in the dryer, so I just do it into the dryer, and I'm just throwing in these dryer balls with it. They're from Norwex. So that was it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you out, maybe gave you some motivation to do some laundry. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like down below and a comment giving me video suggestions or anything else. And please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Do I, baby, why do I love the touch?